Fourth para. Once when the good Saint Peter, an apostle of Christ, lived in the world below and walked about it, preaching just as he did, you know. Okay, so children, Saint Peter was an apostle of Christ, means he was the follower or disciple of Christ. And preaching means to give a religious teaching or talk to the people. Okay, so here in this stanza, the poet is starting with a story. He says that once upon a time there was a disciple or follower of Christ whose name was Saint Peter. And Saint Peter used to go, means door to his lectures to the people. Okay, he was moving around in the world and he was giving religious lectures to the people just as he did, you know. Then the poet says that you all readers know that Saint Peter used to go place to place and preach religious lectures to the people. Now further he says, he came to a door of a cottage in traveling round the earth, where a little woman was making cakes and baking them on the hearth. Hearth means fireplace. So, what happened while traveling round the earth for preaching the people? Once he came to a door of a cottage where a woman was making cakes and baking them in a hearth. Okay, then, and being faint weak with fasting, for the day was almost done, he asked her from her store of cakes to give him a single one. Then, children, as whole day Saint Peter had nothing, he ate nothing, so he was very hungry and feeling weak. So he went to this woman and he said, you have plenty of cakes in your store. Will you please give me one cake? Because I am feeling very hungry. Then let's see what is the woman's reply. So she made a very little cake, but as he baking lay, she looked at it and thought it seemed too large to give away. Okay, so what the lady did, children, she then started making a very small cake. She did not give him the cake from her store. Okay, she has started making a small cake for Saint Peter. So, children, what we know about that this lady in this stanza, that she was very miser. She does not want to share her things. Okay, then what happened next? After making the cake, she thinks that this cake is too big to give him. Okay, so I cannot give this cake to anyone. Okay, now let's see what happened in the eighth para. Therefore she kneaded means to make dough from flour, another and still a smaller one, but it looked, when she turned it over, as large as the first had done. Then what she did, she again she again tried to make a cake. Okay, then she kneaded for making another smaller cake than the previous cake. Okay, but when she looked at the cake after baking it, she realized that this cake is similar to the previous cake. So again, she was not willing to give this cake to Saint Peter. Okay, then she took a tiny scrap means small amount, of dough and rolled it flat and baked it thin as a wafer. But she could not part with that. Okay, then what she did? She took a small amount of dough and she rolled and rolled it to make it so thin as a wafer. So children, what is wafer? You can see the picture here. We have seen the ice cream wafer, chocolate wafer, biscuit wafer. Okay, so what she did, she took a small amount of dough, then she rolled and rolled it to make a so thin that part as a wafer. She was so greedy. Okay, why she was so greedy? Because that cake also she could not give to him. Okay, this part also she doesn't want to give him. For she said, my cakes that I seem too small when I eat of them myself, are yet too large to give away. So she put them on the shelf. Then what she thought? She said that when I eat my cakes, I feel that they are very small. But when I have to share the same cake with someone, so I feel that they are too big to give it. And then what she did? She put all the cake on the shelf. She had not given any cake to Saint Peter.